Hello and good morning to everybody. I am Dr. Mohammad Samiur Zaman, practicing cardiologist from Hyderabad. So, September being the month of World Heart Day, I want to tell something briefly about heart diseases, because nowadays people are getting frequently, even younger persons, young technologists, engineers, doctors, professors, and even those who go to gym regularly, they are also getting heart attack, and suddenly they are falling down with cardiac arrest. So I want to tell something about it. The reasons behind this is the schedule, very busy life nowadays. Even doctors, they don't get time. They tell to others to go for walking and take care of their health, but in busy schedule they are doing angiograms, angioplasties, bypass surgeries, practicing all the day. They even though don't get time to take care of themselves. And engineers and technologists and MNC workers and other youngsters, they have the busy time schedule, and whenever they get time they arrange parties and fatty food, smoking, wine, and so many other habits. All the day they are sitting on table and chair in front of the computer, and doctors in practicing clinics. So food and this habit of sedentary life, they don't go for checkups, regular checkups of heart. So this is being heart. These two these two are the arteries which supply the heart. So they are hardly some millimeters diameter. So due to our bad food habits and sedentary lifestyle, the blood flow in these coronary arteries, these two are LAD, left anterior descending, and left circumflex, and this is right coronary artery, RCA. So over the time, if the people, they have blood pressure and a family history of heart disease and high cholesterol, sedentary lifestyle, smoking, so many factors. So these arteries are deposited with these blood clots and cholesterol things. So the diameter which is smaller, which is studded with these things, and the blood flow will be decreased. So when the blood flow is decreased to the heart muscle, some chest pain will be there. But people, they think that it is just gas or some muscle pain or something, they neglect, but go on neglect for so many days and months, even years. So due to that, whenever the coronary artery blockages becomes 100%, suddenly they will feel giddy, chest pain, they fall down and the heart stops. That is called as cardiac arrest. The preventive measures are daily walking and healthy food habits. Smoking should be avoided, and even alcohol, and regular heart checkup and physical health checkup is mandatory. If you go every year or at least every 6 months or 1 year, there will be the doctor will check blood pressure, sugar, cholesterol. So if it is disturbed, the early management of heart disease is possible. Otherwise, till the blood vessels, that is coronary arteries, are blocked 100%, sudden death is the result, end result. So everybody should take care. Thank you. It is very brief introduction about heart disease, so that no one should get bored, and they should scroll the video up and down. So I have given some brief introduction. Thank you everybody. Take care.